shark and Papa shark.
Yeah, Mama shark, Papa shark, baby shark. Only 3. There are 2 more.
Mama shark, Grandpa shark, Grandma shark.
Yeah, like for baby shark we do like this: baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do. And how do we do for mama shark? Mama shark do 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 do. Then daddy shark is also like this, right? Then how is grandmother shark? How does how she? Yeah, she does like that, no? Like that. Grandpa shark. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
The sister shark too.
There is a sister shark. Okay, but we will draw baby shark. We will draw mama, papa, and grandfather and grandmother. Okay. All right. So let's begin because we do not have more space on the sheet. Draw sister shark also. Okay. Let's start drawing. I'm going to open my sheet. Yes, beta.
Can we draw the sister shark too?
Yeah, you can add on a sister shark also. Okay, no problems. We can add on a sister shark also. Okay.
Can you add for me?
I will do it. No problems. Oh, okay. So now here we begin. This is my drawing screen. And are we ready? So we are going to draw from the top. Okay. And then slowly we will come down. So at top, we are going to draw granny shark, grandmother shark. Okay. So how are we going to do that? Let's start from the middle of our screen. Okay, sorry, I have a screen, but you have sheets. So let's start from the middle of our sheets. So here in the middle, this is the point from where I am going to start my drawing. Let's start. So we are going to draw grandmother shark. So for that, you have to draw a slanting line, which is going up and like this. Okay. So this is how you have to draw this upside down V shape.
Ma'am,
Anji beta.
I also have a card. Should I show you?
Show.
Look, a shark car.
Oh, this is amazing. A shark car. Nice. Okay, so now let's come back to the drawing. And after making this V, upside down V, we have to make a curve. So see, this is how we are going to touch the edges of this V and we have to make a curve. Okay, so let's start somewhere from here only and then we will extend it slowly. So let's start from here, going up, touching this and coming down and making a curve. All right, let me do it once again. It's not as neat as I want it to be. So up, this and this. Now this is the head of my whom? Yeah, the granny shark. All right, okay. So this is the head of, so now we are going to extend it a little more from the corners to give it the round look, but we will not close it. So extend it from both the sides like this. All right. Then we are going to draw the eyes and the features in between. I'll just, yeah. So let's draw the eyes. Let's draw big eyes. So oval shape for the eyes. Okay. Slowly, neatly, this big oval. And on the other side also, keep some gap in between because we will draw that grandmother's specs. Okay. And then you have to make the curves in between the eyes, the eyeballs. Like this, very slowly, very, very neatly, beta. If you will draw neatly, then your drawing looks super neat and beautiful. So very slowly, we are not in any hurry. So you have to draw very, very slowly. Keep the size same. See if you are drawing both the eyes same sized. Okay, now make the eyeball like this and one more which is on the same side over here. Okay, so in between we are going to make this small tiny circle and another small tiny circle. Okay, very neat, and a curve in between joining these two. Okay, all right. And then once this is done, make a line on the left side, similar kind of line on the right side, and just make some curves. Okay, small. These should be very small. Shouldn't be of bigger size. Okay, now she's a female shark, so we will draw eyelashes, but you will just draw 3 of them. Okay, 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And the nostrils just below these specks that we have done. Specks ke bilkul niche, 1 and 2. Okay, so later we will fill the black color into eyes. I will show you how you have to do that. All right, now just draw sharp teeth. We have to show open mouth. 1, 2, like this. Sharp teeth. Try to keep them equal sized. Keep drawing them. Till here. Okay. And are we done till here? Both of us? Prithvi and Kabir? Done, bache? Okay. Prithvi, you also? See, it's coming neatly, right? So neatness is very important. So now around the teeth that we have drawn, we have to make, you have to show the mouth is open. Okay, so make a curved line starting from this point coming to the ending point of where we have stopped drawing our teeth. And inside the mouth, we are going to fill it all the black color later. We will do all that later. Okay, this is how. So final touch we will give. We'll keep giving final touch slowly later. Now, I'm not closing the mouth, the face, because we have to show grandfather shark on the left side. Okay, then we will close. So let's draw grandfather shark now. So for grandfather shark, we are going to again make this on the left side of this one. And again, we have to make the head of grandfather's shark. So again, you have to make a curve touching these 2 points and going ahead. That's why I did not close that. Okay. This is how. So once you are done, then you have to extend it a little more, coming down. And leave it over here. Okay, just here. Don't close it. Now we are not closing it. We are leaving it like this. First, we will draw the features of grandfather shark. Then we will see that what do we have to do next with it. So how is grandfather shark? Grandfather shark has eyebrows. So draw a curve very slowly, neatly, and make this shaped eyebrows. Give some space and make another one on the right side. Try to make it same sized and shape. Okay, try to make it same sized and same shape. It's okay if it is like not as exact as the other one, but we have to try doing that. Okay, then after you are done with the eyebrows, we have to make the eyes. So for eyes, you have to make round shape just below the eyebrows. And similarly, over here. Okay. And just like we did for grandmother's eyes, one more curve inside the eyes over here, and on the left one also over here, then eyeball, and here, this. All right. Now grandfather's eyelashes can be at the, like we had drawn lashes for grandmother little curvy, we can draw for grandfathers like this at the bottom of the eyes. And the nostrils, below the nostrils we have to draw mustaches. Okay, so below the nostrils we will be drawing the mustaches. So how? Just in between, you have to find the midpoint of the nostrils and make big, huge mustaches, curvy ones. This and this. Okay. And then just find out. Just go down, mark your point, the midpoint, same place, like from where we started here. And going and touching the first line, slowly maintaining the gap and going and touching the last point. Okay, this is how we draw mustaches. And after mustaches, let's draw these curves, small curves and sharp teeth. Okay. Like this. And also grandfather's mouth is also open. So make the open mouth like this. All right. Done? Are we done till here? Both of us? Okay, good. So now you are able to follow up very well. I don't have to repeat anything. This is really good. Now let's draw. Maybe let's draw mama shark or baby shark now. Let's draw the baby shark, okay? The baby shark now. So baby sharks. Yes, Kabir. Oh, nice, Kabir. Okay. Okay, you are just closing it everywhere. Okay, fine, Kabir. That is also okay. So now let's draw this triangle somewhere over here. Okay, this upside down V. Let's draw it somewhere on the right side. And let's make the curve again. And bring it down a little bit. Okay, and let's make the naughty baby now. The naughty baby is winking the eye. So this is how you'll show the winking eye. One eye is the winking one and the another eye is round. Okay, and then again, this is how inside there is a curve and there is a small circle inside. We have to do more things with the eyes. I will tell you what is it. And then the nostrils. Okay, and then this line you have to make little slightly curvy line. This is, then you make the sharp teeth. All right, and then the mouth is open. Okay, and then you can just close this Dev, door band karoge aap, please. Then you just close this. Take the whole face of the baby shark. Okay. So baby shark's fin, you can draw a little bit here because we have not drawn it so far for anybody. I will tell you how to draw that. So this is how you can draw the fins of baby shark. All right, now see, now we can close this. I'm closing the face of grandfather. Also, and I'm closing the face of grandmother also. So this is why I wasn't closing them in the beginning. Okay, now we have to draw two more, mama shark and daddy shark. Okay, so let's draw that. Let's draw daddy shark first. So we can draw over here. Again, same way, a curve. You can make small line and then later you can just make it a complete round shape like this. Now, let's draw the eyes. So daddy shark is just simple. We are not going to draw any mustaches. Okay, we'll just draw the simple face, eyes, same ways, same sized. Try to keep them same sized. You want me to repeat any step? You can let me know. Nostrils, see now we are repeating everything, eyes and nostrils. Okay, so you should be able to make it faster now because the steps are repetitive now. They are repeating itself. So the teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't make it till the end. Just make it like this. Okay, so for daddy shark, you can draw teeth over here as well, at the bottom also. Okay, you can do this for everyone actually. Or maybe daddy and grandfather and grandmother shark, they do not have too much of teeth, no, because they are old. So don't do it for them. Just do it for mama and papa shark. And even baby shark, babies do not have all the teeth, no? So that's why. Okay, so for this also, just draw this fins. And we have a good space to draw sister shark also, Kabir. So let's draw mama over here. Then we will draw a sister shark in between somewhere. Okay. So let's draw mama over here. You can make a big round shape. Yes, beta.
The upside down V is repeating.
Yeah, everything is repeating. The upside down V and the curves and the face and the eyes. There is a little more work to be done, which I will tell you what is it. Okay, the eyes are also almost everywhere. They're same. So when things are repetitive, we can do them very, very quickly also. It is quickly done, right? So see, now I'm drawing it so quickly. Nostrils. So mama shark has this oval shape over here. Okay, let's draw it a little differently. And the outer lips are like this. Okay, we can put lipstick on mama shark's lips. Okay, so she is saying, oh my God. Where are we going to swim today? Okay, so we have space over here. If Kabir wants to draw sister shark, yes, beta? Yeah.
The other fin of daddy shark.
Yeah, see, I'm making fins for everyone now. You can also do that. Okay, the sharks. And there can be a small, cute little sister shark also. All right, so this is the sister shark. Make it cute like the brother only. Maybe she's also winking. Okay, maybe she is just like this, huh? She's happy and smiling. So her eyes are both like this. She's sleeping. Okay. Same ways. This small teeth for sister shark, fins, and open mouth. Okay, and eyelashes. Because sister shark it is. Okay. So this is the family that we have done. Now, after doing this, what do we have to do with the eyes? Okay. So inside you have to make this part of the eyes entirely black. Only this part of the eyes of everyone. Slowly, neatly. Now, once your eyes are colored black, the eyeballs, this part is colored black, the look of the face is going to change a lot. See, notice now this grandmother shark is looking where? Is she looking inside, or what do you feel that where is she looking? In front or where? See, she's looking in front, right? Now, as if after coloring the parts black, it seems that she's looking in front. Now see, grandfather right now is looking which side? On the left side, right? But when we will color this part black, even grandfather would also start looking in front. See, this is what happens with these small things makes big differences. And this is the naughty baby one. Also the mama. All right, and we can use which color? Light blue and dark blue color to color the sharks. So you can use the combination of both. Okay. And rest around them, we can draw some starfish, we can draw some seaweeds, and many other things which you see underwater. Okay, you can draw some rocks, you can draw some bubbles around them. There can be some bubbles also. And inside the mouth also we have to fill black color. Okay, inside the mouth also it will be black. All of them. So this is the part which has to be done black. Rest we have to do color. Now you can also do pink in your baby shark. You can use any color. All right. So baby shark can be pink. They can be pink. They can be blue. They can be purple. So we have no limitation to that. That depends upon your imagination. Okay. Now tell me, what are you imagining? Where is this shark family going and what are they up to? Is there something in your mind? We can even write down some dialogues or something around, make some thought bubbles, or we can make dialogue boxes and we can write something about them. Okay, but I need to know that what are you thinking? What is your imagination? You have to talk about it. Now it's your turn. Who is going to tell me first? Is it Kabir or is it Prithvi? Yes, Prithvi, tell me. Okay.
They are saying, woohoo, we are going to see a treasure.
Oh, all right. We are going to see a treasure. Wonderful. Okay. What about Kabir? What do you think, Kabir? What comes to your mind when you draw this shark family?
With that, there will be fishes and jellyfishes.
Okay. So you feel that you should draw some jellyfish around and some starfish around, right? All right. Okay. We can do that. We can draw octopus, jellyfish, starfish, seahorse.
And they are going for a picnic.
Okay, that's why they are super excited and happy also. है ना? Oh, ठीक है. Very nice. Very good. They are going for a picnic, so you can draw some picnic stuff also then. Some eatables with them, some lollipops and chocolates. Okay, so
There will
whatever
be
you
lots
yeah.
lollipops and candies and everything
Okay,
in the
fine.
water,
Okay, okay, very nice.
and they will be falling in the water.
Okay, okay. So there is a candy land somewhere underground, right? Under the water, there is a candy land. Okay, that's amazing. That sounds good. So I have now see the complete look is changed. Once I have filled black color into the eyes and into the mouth, the complete look of my sharks changed and they're looking so nice now. So now only the color that you have to use, you can use pink to color this family. Even pink looks very cute. And if you want to do blue, that is also fine. Yes. Yes, bache.
I've seen the baby shark is yellow color.
So you can do yellow also. Okay. You can do yellow. We can do baby shark, all the family yellow color. No problems. That's what I was saying. Your imagination, whichever color you want, because these are imaginary characters, na? So we always draw these cartoon characters with our imagination. So our imagination can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. Things can be, even we can imagine that a sun is pink. We can imagine that also. So imagination can be anything. So you can draw some bubbles in the background. Each one of them. Once you have drawn, you need to outline it first. Okay, you both will outline it first, then you will fill colors. So outlining also needs to be done with a black sketch pen, not a marker or something. Sketch pen is good for that. And not putting a lots of pressure on it. Okay, very with a light hand and a firm grip. So we can draw a seahorse or something behind also. And even we can draw some, like you, if you want to show that this is underwater, so you can draw these kind of plants which we usually see in the sea. Okay, like this in the background. Up, and you can even draw something else which is your imagination. You are completely free to use your imagination. I would love to see that. I am drawing these plants, underwater plants. You can draw anything else. Some sea animals. Please do not draw a lot of them also. See, I have just drawn a little bit. I have just drawn on the left side, 3 of them on the left side, 3 of them on the right side. Okay, only these much. Don't fill it everywhere. And then we can draw some a starfish or a jellyfish or some other character which lives in the water. Okay, let me see. I saw a seahorse somewhere. So yeah, I got it. So even you can show a cute little seahorse anywhere, wherever you have space. Like I have a little bit space on the right side. So I'll draw a seahorse. This is how we can draw a seahorse. Round head, fins. And then you can draw the design at the head going till the back, round, curve. Okay. The tummy has some design. And seahorse is the eye. And the seahorse is smiling. Okay. So you can show a seahorse, you can show a jellyfish on the other side. anything that you want to draw related to underwater. A cute little jellyfish. Smiling again. Making those falling strings. Jellyfish. Wow. So I will also color it yellow only, as Kabir told that they are yellow in color and the background can be light blue. Okay. So just simple yellow color I'm using everywhere all around the body. Yes, beta.
Colors.
Pink color.
Grandma
Hmm.
shark
Yeah, grandma shark is pink color.
orange color.
Okay, so let me use yellow everywhere. I want you to do as per whatever you think. Okay, you can do whatever color you want. All right. So
Okay.
maybe I will do yellow in grandmother, pink in baby. Okay, let me do different colors in all of the sharks. You can use different colors also. So done. Pink in the baby shark. This one. I imagine that all of them have different colors. What do you imagine? You have to use your imagination and color them nicely. So while coloring, because this drawing has a lots of curves, okay? Whenever our drawings, they have lots of curves, you have to be very careful, because around the curves, we have to color carefully so that my color does not go out and it looks neat also. So very, very slowly near the boundaries. We should never go out of the boundaries while coloring, and also hold your color with very less pressure. Don't put a lot of pressure on your colors when you will hold them, even on your pencils when you draw, and even on your sketch pens when you trace. The pressure should not be too much so that your hand starts paining and you don't feel like coloring or finishing your drawings. Okay, and always take a little bit break in between, like 1 minute. You can leave your color and you can just twist your wrists a little bit to give them, to make them feel, that little rest you have to give. That you can always do. So the mustaches can remain white for grandfather shark. Okay. Now the bodies are behind the faces, so we cannot see them. We are just able to watch the front face. They are swimming straight in the water. White eyebrows and white mustaches. And what color is my mama shark? Let me give her a red lipstick first. She's wearing red lipstick. Okay, and we can give her which color? Maybe the yellow color, same as grandmother shark. Wherever you find a little bit of free space, always move your color in which direction? In which direction should we move our color when we have a free space?
One direction.
Only in one direction, which is like left to right, we should move. Okay. So now, and the father shark, can we do green? Can we do orange? Can we do purple, same as the sister one? or we can do dark blue into Papa. Light blue we can use in the background. Okay, so see, you have to be very, very careful and choose your colors smartly. See, because the background we will color blue, right? So I will not take the same shade of blue that I am doing in Papa Shark. I will use a different light shade of blue so that it's nicely visible. We always have to choose our colors very, very smartly. You have to think first that how is it up looking? How will it look if I'll do it? Is it going to make my drawing dirty or is it going to make my drawing look good and pretty? That's how you have to think before you choose any color for your beautiful drawings. You draw with so much of hard work, right? So do not waste your hard work like that. So sea plants also, I will use two shades of green. One is the light one can be the dark one. So these are the tricks which will help you in making your drawings pretty, creative, beautiful. You can use two shades of green to color the sea plants. And the dark green now. Slowly move your color. And if you will not be able to complete the coloring in one go, you can draw and you can trace and you can leave and take some rest and then continue after some time or tomorrow. But please never leave them half done. Always finish them. Wow, this looks so nice. Even you can write somewhere do 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 do. Okay, baby shark do 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 do. That also you can write somewhere. So now let me pick up my blue color and then I'll finish my background. Straight and neat. Moving from one side, slowly going to the other side. Okay, I'm just finishing this part first. I'm not dragging my hand from left to right on all over the page in one go. Yes, and see, I'm coloring my background. How is the look coming out? Looking so good. I haven't written anything so far, but you can write if you have space. Okay. If you have space, you can write something about this shark family. You can write the song also, baby shark do 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 do. You can write that. And slowly, I'm moving from left to right for the background. I'm not starting from anywhere and ending anywhere. So I'm just moving from one side to the other side. Now see how is my color moving? My color is moving. Now there is a little free space. So I'm moving this way. All right. Now down, down, down. Just a little bit area is left. And then I will color my seahorse and my jellyfish, and then I am done. Wow, this looks very nice, and I'm sure yours will look better than what I have drawn. I'm really sure about it because you are so creative by now. Yes, Prithvi? Yes, beta? 1 second, let me see. Just a second. Yes, show me. Wow, this looks amazing. Prithvi, lift it up a little. Very nicely traced. Very good. Very nice, Prithvi. You can draw some background, and if you feel tired, you can color this later also. Okay? But color it nicely. You can take a snapshot, a screenshot of my screen for your reference. Okay? And the seahorse. And done. So Prithvi has already shown me. Kabir, can I see yours also? What have you done so far?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
show it to me.
Look, ma'am.
1 second. Oh, all the candies are falling. Picnic time. This is nice. Very cute. Both of you have done wonderful jobs. Okay. So you can take a picture. I'm sharing my screen again, my whiteboard for coloring. Yeah, I am also saving this in my system. And even you can take a picture, huh? Because you must be tired by now. It's end of the day. So you can finish coloring tomorrow. Okay? And send it to me before our next class. Okay? All right. So I'll meet you next week now. Yes.
Can we draw Mario drawing?
Mario, we already have done. What else you want to draw from Mario, Kabir?
Luigi with Mario and
Mario,
with Princess Peach.
Princess Peach and Princess Peach also we had drawn, na?
And Mario and Luigi.
Acha, okay, I'll find out the other characters also. Okay,
Okay.
we'll do it sometime. All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Good night.
Good night.
Ma'am,
Yes.
1 minute, I'll take a photo.
You have taken a photo?
No.
Okay, I have taken it. I'll send it to you if you're not able to take me. Done, Prithvi?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so see you. Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.